Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 3CS 300 liters model horizontal bin mixer for UK client. For these mixers, it is used to mix the material plastic Masterbatch, mainly consists of titanium dioxide and calcium carbonate, as well as some low-density polyethylene. For these mixers, we use a Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer connected directly to support the strong power. For the body part, we use stainless steel for material contact part, and inside are stainless steel 2 layers ribbons. On the bottom, we can see that we equipped the pneumatic control valve. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. This is totally the same one. Now I start it. We focus on the panel. This is a cabinet. For the main components, we use Schneider brand. First I start it. This is a time relay. This is the max speed. Once time reached to the max speed, the mixer will stop. And I would like to reset it. For example, reset 30 seconds. I would like to close the power. Then I connect it. Max speed 30 seconds. Let's try. Now it works. This is the inside situation. I just opened the top lid and the safety switch has filled open of the top lid, so it stopped. Now I would like to restart it and test again for the time relay. Stop it, restart it. Now we reached the max speed the last time. Set speed. Nearly 30 seconds. Okay, once reached, it stopped. So this is the time relay function. Also, just I have displayed the safety protection system. Once top lid opened, mixer will stop. It is the same principle for this one. I start it. Now the time relay is 23 seconds. We can control the speed. For example, 25 speed. Okay, now it stop. I just stop it and restart again. It will still keep the speed 25. When it reaches 23 seconds, mixer will stop. Okay, now it stopped. And for the safety principle, it is the same as the first one. On this position, we equipped a safety protection sensor. Once top lid open, the mixer will stop. And let's test this one. Let's start it. And the time relay, time set is 31 seconds. This speed is max speed. We use our 30 speed. Okay, it stopped. And restart again. Let's check the speed. Speed is 30, just the last time set speed. And now it stopped. We can set the second, minute, hour, and up and down. And stop it. So this is a simple test for the basic mixing function and the time set function and the safety protection function of the new finished 300 liters model horizontal rim mixer for UK client used in plastic Masterbatch industry. If you have any interest, feel free contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.